welcome back. I'm super excited. It's that time of the month again where it's my favorite review, the Universal YUM box. I know it's been so tempting not to open it before I do my review, but for you guys, I had some self-control. But now the time's over, so I'm gonna open it up and see what kind of goodies we've got inside. This month it's home of the cotton top tamarind, whatever that is. Let's find out. So we're getting Colombian snacks this month. Yumminess. Let's see. There are only 6,000 wild cotton top tamarinds on Earth, and they live in Colombia. I thought it was a lemur. I had no idea what it was. So, let's see what kind of goodies we got this month. Some of these I'm kind of questioning just looking at them right off the bat. Alright, so we got all the goodies out. Let's see what we have. Ooh, what's this in this? Oh, we got suckers. The same ones. Ooh, no, 2 different flavors too. I got passion fruit and Moroccan. I think is what it is. Let's see. Okay. I'm going ADD because I want to try everything at once, but obviously that's not going to be possible. So, ooh. This one seems like the weirdest one, so I think I'm going to try this one first. It's mayonnaise flavored chips. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. Do I have to try it? Oh, that's kind of, yeah. Oh well, might as well knock out the weirdest one first, if this is the weirdest one. Ew, it smells weird. I can't even place the smell. Obviously it smells like potato chips, but there's another weird smell to it, and I'm assuming that's the mayonnaise. Made with 100% natural potatoes. Crunchy. Mayonnaise. To the pace of your world. Yes, I am procrastinating on trying this because I really don't want to. It's the aftertaste that's weird. It's the normal potato chip aftertaste, but there's another taste that's kind of falls up right behind it. Because just the initial, taste of it, it's not bad. It has, I could taste more of the saltiness, but there's a flavor to it that's not necessarily distinguishable. It's familiar, but I can't place it right now, should I say. So it's not too bad. It's the aftertaste that's weird. If you ever like with the sandwich or something like that, it probably wouldn't be too bad. But just eating it by itself, it's kind of... Initially, I will say, I was kind of grossed out by the name of the flavor, but taste-wise, it's actually not too bad. So I'm pleasantly surprised with that one. But mayonnaise chips, that's weird. Then again, I probably feel the same way if there was mustard chips or ketchup chips. Although ketchup and french fries go together and they're made out of potatoes. But for some reason, if you dip potato chips in ketchup... Does anybody eat that like that? Eat potato chips with ketchup? Because that just sounds weird. But with fries and ketchup, completely normal. Still potato. I don't know. Okay, random thought. Alright, let's go ahead and continue with the crunchiness. Turbana, plantain chips, garlic. Ooh, I I ain't gotta worry about vampires tonight. Chip Bite Yum. Discover the snack that has potato chips running for cover with freshly harvested plantains and natural ingredients. Their mana chips are wholesome, crunchy goodness in every bite. Straight out of the bag or as a side snack, they're a tasty and healthier alternative. Grab a bag and you'll be saying simply plantalicious yourself. Did you know we source all of our plantains from small growers whose income is derived from the cultivation of plantains? Your purchase directly contributes to the sustainability of the farming region. Oh, well, that's good to know. It's rich in fiber, gluten-free, GMO-free, zero cholesterol, and zero trans fat. Interesting. Oh, this is actually from Florida, I think. Yep. Made by CI whatever. But it's imported and distributed by Florida. But I really don't care. I want to know how it tastes. I hope it's the garlic's not too strong because that's just going to be like, But I do love garlic, so we're going to see how this pans out. I'm not a huge fan of plantains, though. I know that's weird, but I'm really not. Hopefully these are good. I'm not sure yet. I will say the garlic flavor isn't overwhelming, so that's a positive. It's just a different texture that, because I'm thinking potato chips, even though yes, I know these aren't potato chips, but I'm thinking that type of texture. It's a little bit different, but overall, not too bad. They're nice. They're nicely thinly, I guess thin-ish, shaved, so it's not too bad. Because I was thinking that was going to be a little bit, you know, more to it, so that way it doesn't have as much crunch, but not too bad. Roxy would love these. I can't help but to think about bananas. I think of that girl. Sorry. Okay. Anyways. And for those that don't know who Roxy is, she is my puppy who is unfortunately in heaven with us. But yeah, that's my puppy. She was here before Monger, but she's still with us in spirit. I know. Can't help but think about her. She loves bananas, by the way. So that's why I couldn't help but think about her. If you're a longtime subscriber and have watched more of my videos, you definitely would know who she was. I actually think I did a video with her. I did the Bark Box with her. Although those toys got destroyed pretty quickly. Oh, what is this? Tocineta. Bacon chips. Lime flavor, or limon. I say lime. Because that is a lime, not a lemon. But anyways. Lemon/lime flavored bacon chips. I'm not sure how to feel about that. Bacon and lime. Has anybody eaten like that? Please let me know. Okay, these really do look like dog treats. I don't smell any lime. And I have to put my whole nose in there. I don't taste any bacon! Sorry, I had to do that. I don't taste the bacon of it, so I'm guessing it's just the look of it. But that lime with that salt, I think it's my Hispanic side coming out, which is pretty much all of me. Except for, yeah, that's what I'm going to say, all of me. If you want to know the actual DNA of me, I have done videos of it with the DNA testing, so you can go check that out. But these are actually really good. I like these. The texture is like that soft, fluffy crunch to it. But that lime is very strong. And I actually really like it. Even though it does say it's lemon, there's no lemon. It's lime. Because I don't like lemon. I like lime. Yes, there is a difference. I like these. These are definitely number one out of the crunchies. Nope, no, we got one more crunchy. So far, we've got the bacon chips, followed by the mayonnaise chips, followed by the garlic chips. Yeah, that's what we got so far in the ranking of everything. What is next? More plantain chips, but they're going to be sweet. What kind of sweet? Some dulce sweet plantain chips. They're cookies, as my dad would say. Taste of another world. Yeah, sweet plantains. Yeah, that is part of another world. That just sounds weird. All right. They just look like oddly shaped, kind of like chocolate chip cookies. So these are definitely different. I don't see any plantains in them though. Although that is the number one ingredient. So obviously they meshed something up. So we're gonna try these out. Not too bad. I don't taste any plantains in these. But it's not like, when you imagine a cookie, you think of it being really sweet. They're not overly sweet. Like, if you're wanting something sweet, pretty much any type of fruit will probably have more sweetness than these. But it's good. I like the crunch. I think that's what kind of got me addicted to it. Because the flavor is not strong at all. I don't think it was that crunchy. I would like them as much. So as far as flavor goes, that's ranking as one of the least. But I do like the crunchiness of them. And then you'd probably go like towards the top. I'd probably tie with the lime chips. I'm still debating on those. I'm gonna have to re-rank that in a little bit. All right, now what shall we try next? Now we're getting to the sweetness. Con coco. So I'm guessing this has chocolate. Caramelo, leche, and coco. Sounds good. I'll go with this one first. Let's see what this is. Okay, there's something in there. I'm not sure how this looks weird. So it is soft, which is good. I know I'm smacking like crazy. Sorry, guys. No. It has coconut in it. No, I don't like it. Let me say, it's not bad. Again, I'm just personally not a huge fan of the coconut. So, especially that artificial kind with the flakes and everything like that. Not a fan at all. So that's the main reason why I'm just like, no, can't do it. Ugh. That's definitely going towards the end. Just because I'm not a fan of coconut. Now, what are we going to try next? I want to try Trululu. What is Trululu? I just know it's white chocolate. Chocolate Blanco. So let's try this one out. I like white chocolate, by the way. But you don't really see too many candies in it, especially like an original form. You know, you have the Kit Kat's white chocolate, you have the Reese's white chocolate, but it's not like an original candy that starts out as white chocolate. So I'm kind of excited to try these. Let's smell them. Smells like white chocolate. So it kind of looks like little eggs that have already been cracked. I'm assuming because of the traveling that it went through. But obviously, it doesn't have very strong chocolate out shell. Or candied, should I say. The candied shell. Oh. Oh. It has a gummy bear in the middle of it. I didn't realize that until just now. So it's a gummy bear with white chocolate around it with a candy coating. That's just weird. Interesting. Little bear. Maybe that's the reason why it's all crushed up like this. I'm not sure if you can see it. But yeah, there's a gummy bear inside of this. It's confusing to have something sweet with, I mean, not something sweet, but like something fruity and chocolatey. That's just weird, so I'm moving that towards the back as a dislike. Okay. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more candies left. The suckers are definitely going to be last. So, there's 2 of these. So, which one should I try next? Okay, yeah, I don't get to choose. I'm choosing this one. It's not like I can see you sitting there pointing anyways. And plus, by the time this video is posted, I've already made a decision. So, I went ahead and made a decision for you. I know I do that a lot. But, oh well, I need to do more live videos. What do you guys think? Should I do more live videos? Y'all can see how truly crazy I am. Instead of waiting for the outtakes on my Instagram. Luckily, I haven't had too many lately that are extremely hilarious. Otherwise, it's me just mumbling and not being able to read or talk properly. I didn't even read this. I just opened it and so it is chocolate with caramel. Peanuts and caramel covered in chocolate. So kind of like a payday. Is that the candy that I'm thinking of? Payday? I think so. I like this. This is good. It's nothing too out of the ordinary. It's caramel, peanut, and chocolate. How can you go wrong with that? Although, it's not that gooey caramel that's like, you take a bite and it's like, you know, like a string of caramel left behind. So not bad. I like those. They're good. So far, a lot of the candies just sound, or the snacks sound weird, but they're not too bad. I think the weirdest one right so far is the chocolate covered gummy bear. That's just weird. All right. Now we're going to the Mexico. I think that's what it says. What is it? Has 2 cookies. I've established that part. Oh, sugar wafer filled with coconut cream. Colombians and their coconuts. I'm kidding. A lot of Hispanics love the coconuts. I guess I'm just weird like that and I don't care for the coconut. Like I said, it's the texture. It's more the texture than anything. Because you give me a pina colada, I'm happy on it. So this is one giant cookie. We're gonna try to see how the coconut cream is. It's actually not bad. So the coconut flavor isn't that strong. It has kind of more of a vanilla-y-ish taste to it rather than a coconut. But I like it. There's a hint of coconut to it, but it's not overwhelmingly strong. So we're gonna move around and rank before I get into the suckers. These are definitely gonna go to the top. All right, so that's what I've got ranked so far. I've got the lime chips, my little Carmelo and Manny snack bars, my wafers, mayonnaise chips, my garlic banana chips, and then the weird sweet banana chips, which I mainly like the texture of it. Then we have the weird chocolate covered gummy bear candy, and then this weird caramel coconut thingy. Isn't that what it is? Let me see. Yeah. So it's caramel, milk, and coconut. Just weird to me. All right, now we're gonna save the best for last. Oh no, they're the same flavor. I thought they were two different flavors. One's in English, one's in Spanish. My bad. So we're gonna try the passion fruit. Oh, so it's kind of like a blow pop because it has gum on the inside of it. I smell the passion fruit. It's really strong. Ooh, I like this. This is really good. I will say that. So let me try and figure out what do I like, or where should I put this one? I'll probably put it behind. Hold on, wait. Let me see. You know what? I'm gonna have to not gonna say re-rank them, but I think I'm gonna have to do kind of like the sweet and the savory as two different kind of rankings, because this is probably number one and that's number one too, but they're different categories because we've got obviously the sweet and the salty. I think that's how I'm going to do that. So obviously out of my chips, I've got my lime chips, my mayonnaise chips, and my garlic chips. This is sweet, but I still put it into a chip category because like I said, the flavor isn't sweet enough to be considered sweet in my opinion. So I'm going to put that there as last. As far as my top sweets, I've definitely got my passion fruit, my chocolate candy bar, my wafers, my weird chocolate covered gummy bears, and then the weird coconut ones. So that's my ranking. Let's see what Colombia also has to offer. So I missed out on, I might need to upgrade my box and get more snacks because they have super snacks which had the Colombians' most fantastic fruits. We had assorted dulce de leche sweets, which is silky dulce de leche in traditional flavors like roasted coconut, coffee, and guava. Let's see what's on next month's box. On the equator, there's a green jewel with dragons and temples that look really cool. We found a whole bunch of really good finds, like noodles and melons and tamarind rinds. Any guesses on what that is for next month? I have no idea. So what interesting facts we could do. In Colombia, it's common to drink hot chocolate with cayenne pepper, anise liqueur, cheese, strawberry marshmallows. I'm gonna go with cheese for some reason. Am I right? I'm right. That's weird. Who eats hot chocolate with cheese? Did I miss anything else? So this sucker's called the passion fruit bon bon bum. That just sounds weird. So, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. I enjoyed this box very much. I had very good snacks. If you tried them, let me know what your favorites are. And like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe, stay tuned, and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.